Hey folks, welcome to my channel. It's Vageline here, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing get into her. Okay. Miss Thing. Yeah. Give another applause for Sensational because they sensationally did this one. Anyway, if you're new here, welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun. And if you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, let's go ahead and get into Who's That Girl. You can watch me put her all the way together, and I will make sure to give you all her sneaky deaky details. Alright folks, come on, let's go and get into this video. Alright folks, so let's get into this unit. Now this is Sensational's new BareLace Pre-Cut Unit, and she is unit number 1. I got her in the color light ash brown, and I got her from Sam's Beauty, and she ranges about $35. Now she is a glueless wig that you don't have to cut. It says no cut, no trim needed, just wear and go. She's a glueless install with elastic wig band. Blends with most skin tones. Ear-to-ear lace with wide 5-inch deep hand parting area. She's a pre-teased and pre-plucked with baby hairs. She has smaller knots for a natural hairline. And she's heat safe, of course, up to 400 degrees. Now, my girl has the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and an adjustable strap, as well as an elastic band for that glueless fit. And baby, when she says she's a wear and go, she is a wear and go. This is what I'm talking about. This right here is what I need in my life, because baby, who got time to be cutting someone's lace? I'm just saying. If you're with me on that, drop some scissor emojis down in the comments below, because baby, it's 2024. We don't got time for this. We busy. We running these kids. We going to work. We handling things with our man. With our man, my man. We got side businesses. Things are rolling. Ain't nobody got time to be cutting to no lace. So if you with me on that, drop that emoji, okay? Anyway, let me get back to this video. So what I'm going to do now is fast forward the rest of this video, show you the install without having to trim any lace. Of course, I still use some mousse, nothing from Eben, because baby, company cut low. Oh, I might not be able to say that, so I might have to erase that. But we ain't doing Eben anymore, so it is what it is. Get rid of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this video. If it sounds like I'm screaming, I apologize. 1, I'm super duper hype for this wig. 2, I don't got my kids around, so you don't have to hear any of that nonsense in the background. All right, for the no kids today. And 3, yeah, I'm just loud and proud, and you know, it is what it is. So let me go ahead and fast forward this video, and yeah, come back and let you know what I think of Miss Thing. All right, guys. folks, so let's get to my thoughts on Miss Thing. First of all, Sensational, you did this with this wig. Like, hands down, she is a beautiful wig. Did she tangle? She did tangle, but you know, when you start coloring these wigs, that's what happened. Did she shed? She had some shedding, but nothing too extreme like the last wig I think I reviewed in this color where it was just coming out. She is definitely big head friendly. She did come ear to ear. The lace melted perfectly. I mean, like, she just looks good. I could have put maybe a little bit more of my bronzer up top to blend it in some more, but baby, I have no complaints about this wig. She's literally like a 9.5. I would say a 10 if she didn't like shed a little bit and tangle, but 9.5. Would I buy her again? Heck yes. And for $35, you cannot go wrong. As a matter of fact, in my cart right now, I have another pre-cut wig. I think she's unit number 4 or something like that. I want to get her so bad. She looks so good as well. So I don't know, maybe I might get it. The color that I wanted already got sold out, but this light ash brown color is my new favorite color, my new favorite blonde color, because I feel like it's a blondish kind of wig, if that makes sense. Where would I wear her to? She must be seen. So every single, man, listen, you can dress her up, you can dress her down. She is a nice, classy, cute wig, if I might say so myself. The stock card does her no justice. I'm telling you, I mean, she looked good on the stock card, but baby, on me though, on me, she's given. Again, for $35, she's already cut for me. What else do y'all want? Listen, if you like what you see in this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one. Cause baby, she bad. She bad, If y'all can only see what my legs is doing, y'all know what era I'm from, okay? You will go ahead and get notified. All right, folks. See you in my next video. Bye.